Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A third bullish white soldier yesterday, but it was also open to interpretation as it was day two in a two-day descending halt pattern, a pattern traditionally seen as a two-day bearish reversal pattern, though the actual data on how effective this is in reality is disputed. And yesterday could also be seen as a possible indecisive spinning top pattern. So all in all, quite a difficult day action to interpret. Perhaps the most importantly of all, actually, perhaps it was the highest high and high close since late October 2023, and the full achievement of target X1 at 87.85, the secondary hardest to reach target for the November 2023 to January 2024 reverse head and shoulders pattern. We'd just about reached this target 2 weeks ago, but yesterday it was clearly, or not yesterday, Friday, it was clearly reached in its actions. Now, in its move higher, the market once again punched up through the 50% Fibonacci line of the November 2020 to March 2022 move at 87.41, but ending up closing right on him. However, it did manage to pierce the next recent lesser Fibonacci line at 87.99 before closing back below it. Overall, we are still within the mid-December 2023 to date bull channel highlighted in bright red on my daily chart. That's currently 81.31 to 90.70. Given the recent patterns, I decided 2 weeks ago to lay out some potentials topside for some of these patterns. Thus for the remaining pattern of a bullish halfway hesitation formed since the start of February. We have a target X in the 89 even area. Now, one final thought, and it only came to me late last week, and that is perhaps, just perhaps, we are building another congestion band on top of the 82 even to 85 area, this time from 85 even to 87.41. For this pattern, I've placed a potential target X2 up in the 91.35 area. Now, so far today, higher open and straight up with a new high not seen since late October last year. Overhead now is the dark blue highlighted neckline, currently 89.40 of the lopsided late July, early November 2023 head and shoulders pattern. Spot gold. A fifth bullish white soldier yesterday for new highest open, highest high and highest close ever. Prices reached up to target X at 22.65, the one-time seemingly unavailable high target for the action since about October 2023 to date, being a very, very large bullish halfway hesitation. In addition to this, I recently put forward the idea that the action over the middle and main part of March is another potential halfway hesitation. Thus, I have labeled today target X1 up at, as a potential target for this pattern, up at 23.03 area. Now, so far today, a general move upwards towards the high of yesterday. We have a lesser Fibonacci line at 22.76, but further up there are a pair of 100% projected Fibonacci lines close together at 87.98 and 83.01.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.